Vumile is back from hospital. Then suddenly he's not breathing. Zoleka is worried about why umntana akaphefumuli. Ngapha uDabs is concerned about the crying of the goat, saying that it was not normal. Remember, it took forever for the goat to cry. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Inimba. So Zoleka and Lazarus come back from the hospital and the baby Vumile apparently is feeling better. And Tuma and Nungaba are there. They offer to assist with the baby so they can rest. And then Zoleka is worried uba she doesn't want her sins to affect umntanakhe. Confides in Tumeka. And Tumeka was wondering what house it's because when you're a good mom and you're gonna raise Vumile well. I hope Zoleka is not gonna go and confess good Tumeka, because what is that? Tumeka is gonna run to Cosmo and tell Uhlati. Now, obviously Zoleka is worried because she knows she probably thinks Mutana is getting sick because maybe baby Vumile wants to be introduced to izinyanya zakwabo abantu bakamabandla. So now that he was introduced to the Nguganas, Mutana is still feeling a bit lost, so that's why it's making him sick. And then he speaks to Lazarus over the phone. Lazarus sends his regards and loves to the baby and telling Zoleka to kiss the baby for him. Zoleka checks on the baby. Finds ukuthi baby Vumile is not breathing. Just wondering how umntana akaphefumuli, calls on Daphne. Umntana akaphefumuli. Now they're worried. I hope they're not going to say ukuthi umntana is not breathing, umntana is sick. Now they must confess and tell Hlati the truth. Nkosi, because now Hlati is going to insist on doing umsebenzi kamabandla on the baby. Ngapha uDabs is insisting that the goat, the way it cried, was not normal. It means like something is wrong, man. It was a sign. But Pudak is like, no, man. Seven's one bekakhle. It cried and that's it. And when this has happened before, if a goat cries in that unusual way, usually there's something wrong. Problem mntwana so no. She's probably going to look into this issue, because remember at the ceremony, the goat took forever to cry until she ended up going to fetch the baby and telling Lazarus to plead to ancestors until the goat cried. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.